This is the review for the final exam. I hope everyone's staying safe and happy and healthy. And we're almost done. So let's go through this. I'll post these as soon as I get them finished. So for the first one, it says, for this piecewise function, find the values of h of -8, h of -6, h of 4, and h of 7. So for h of -8, what you have to do is determine where do I plug this in. Do I plug it in at the in the top equation, negative 4x minus 13, or in the middle one, y equals 5, or in the third one, y equals x plus 3. So what you're going to look at when you're trying to determine that is you're going to actually look at these restrictions. So is -8, let's start at the bottom here, is -8 greater than 5? No. Is -8 between -6 and +5? No. So we have to plug the -8 into this first equation. So to do that, we're going to say, okay, so y, or h, must equal, h of -8 is going to equal -4x, but we're going to replace x now with -8 minus 13. And then we're going to follow our order of operations. -4 times -8 is 32. And 32 minus 13 is 19. So the answer to the first one is 19. All right, let's go to the second one. H of -6. Again, we have to go up here and decide, are we going to plug this in to the first equation, the second equation, or the third equation? Is -6 less than -6, or is -6 less than or equal to -6? It's less than or equal to -6, which means we're going to plug it into this equation this time, which means it's this one. Now, what this equation says, that no matter what x is, h of x, so h of -6 equals 5. That means the answer is 5. There's no work to do. All right, for the next one, that one's going to get plugged into the middle equation also. So h of 4 is also equal to 5. And there's no work to do. And the last one, 7 is greater than 5. So we're going to go into the x plus 3. So h of 7 is equal to x plus 3, but x is 7, so 7 plus 3, which makes it 10, and that's the answer.